Good morning, Mom. What smells so good?
Happy birthday, Tom. I'm making your favorite breakfast, pancakes with chocolate chips.
Wow. Thank you. I can't believe I'm 23 years old today.
You're growing up so fast. Here, sit down. The pancakes are almost ready.
Mom, you're the best. Can I have some orange juice too?
Of course, it's already on the table. Did you sleep well?
Yes, I did. I'm so excited about today.
Your father and I have a special gift for you, but you have to wait until tonight.
Oh, come on. Can you give me a hint?
No hints. You'll have to be patient. Now eat your breakfast while it's hot.
Hey, birthday boy, come here. I want to show you something. Hi, Dad. What are you doing in the garage? I'm checking the car. We need it for tonight, remember? Oh, right. We're going to the restaurant. Is everyone coming? Yes. Your sister is driving from college, and your grandparents will be there too. That's great. I haven't seen Sarah in 2 months. She's very excited to see you. She called me yesterday. Dad, can I ask you something? Sure. What is it?
When you were 23, what were you doing?
I was finishing university and working part-time. It was a busy time, but also very exciting, just like now for you.
Happy birthday, man! How does it feel to be 23?
Thanks, Mike. It feels normal, I guess. Just another year older.
Come on, don't be so serious. It's your special day.
You're right. I'm actually really happy. Want some coffee?
Already ordered. 2 cappuccinos, just how we like them.
Perfect. So, are you coming to the dinner tonight?
Of course, I wouldn't miss it. I have your gift in my car.
You didn't have to get me anything.
Stop it. We've been friends for 10 years. Of course I got you something.
10 years. Wow. Remember when we met in high school?
How could I forget? You helped me with my math homework on the first day.
Tommy! Happy birthday, little brother.
Sarah, I'm not little anymore. I'm 23.
You'll always be my little brother. I'm so sorry I can't be there this morning.
It's okay. Dad said you're coming for dinner?
Yes, I'm leaving in 2 hours. I can't wait to see you.
How's college going? Are your exams finished?
Just finished yesterday. That's why I can come home now.
Great timing. I miss you so much.
I miss you too. Hey, I have a surprise for you tonight.
Another surprise? Everyone's being so mysterious today.
That's because we love you. See you at 6 o'clock. Tom, I heard it's your birthday. Happy birthday!
Thank you, Lisa. How did you know?
I saw it on the office calendar. 23, right?
That's right. Time flies so fast.
We bought a cake for you. It's in the break room.
Really? That's so nice of everyone.
Come on, let's go. Everyone's waiting.
I didn't expect this at all.
Well, you're always helping everyone here. We wanted to do something special for you.
This means a lot to me. Thank you.
You deserve it. Now make a wish before you blow out the candles.
There's my handsome grandson. Come give me a hug. Grandma, you look wonderful. Thank you, dear. Happy 23rd birthday.
Thanks, Grandma. Want to sit on this bench?
Yes, let's sit. I brought you some cookies, your favorite.
Chocolate chip? You remembered.
Of course I remember. I've been making them for you since you were 5.
They're still the best cookies in the world.
You always say that. Tell me, how's your job?
It's going well. I'm learning a lot every day.
I'm so proud of you. Your grandfather would be proud too.
Tom, I'm so glad I found you here.
Emma, what a surprise. What are you doing here?
Shopping for your birthday gift, actually.
You don't need to buy me anything.
Too late. I already have some ideas. What do you need?
Honestly, I have everything I need.
Come on. There must be something. New headphones? A watch?
Well, my headphones are pretty old.
Perfect. Let's go to the electronics store.
You're too kind, Emma. Thank you.
That's what family is for. Besides, you only turn 23 once.
Hello? Hey, Tom. Happy birthday, buddy. Jake! Thanks, man. I didn't expect your call. Are you kidding? I couldn't forget your birthday. How's everything in New York? Busy, but good. I wish I could be there to celebrate with you. Me too. We miss you here. Next year, I promise I'll visit for your birthday. That would be awesome. We could go to our old hangout spots. Definitely. Hey, check your email later. I sent you something. What is it? Just a little birthday surprise. Have a great day, Tom.
Tom, happy birthday, dear.
Thank you, Mrs. Johnson. How are you today?
I'm wonderful. I baked you a birthday cake.
You did? That's so sweet of you.
It's vanilla with strawberry frosting. I hope you like it.
I love it. You really didn't have to do this.
Nonsense. You helped me so much when I broke my arm last year.
Anyone would have done the same.
Not everyone is as kind as you. Enjoy your special day.
Thank you so much. Would you like to come to dinner tonight?
Oh, that's lovely, but this is your time with family. Have fun.
There's the birthday boy. Come here.
Uncle David, you made it!
I wouldn't miss my nephew's birthday. 23 years old. Amazing.
Time really does fly. How was your flight?
Long, but worth it. I brought you something from Paris.
From Paris? That's incredible!
Just a small gift. How's everything going with you?
Really good. Work is great, and I'm saving money for graduate school.
Graduate school? That's fantastic. What do you want to study?
Business management. I want to start my own company someday.
With your determination, I know you'll succeed.
Happy birthday, Tom. This place looks amazing.
Thanks, Amy. I'm so glad you could come.
The decorations are beautiful. Did your family arrange all this?
My mom and sister planned everything. They're the best.
You're so lucky to have them